Hey guys, today we're going to Vancouver. We're at the Calgary airport. We arrived here a few hours early, so it doesn't look like there's a lot of people here yet. We are flying via WestJet today. Obviously a lot more people came, so it's a little busy now, and we're about to take off. We just took a cab to our hotel from the airport. We are staying at the Pan Pacific Hotel. It's right by the harbor, so we should get like really good views. Here is our room. To the right is the bathroom. Tub shower combination. Of course, the vanity, the sink. There's a separate toilet room. There's actually a phone in there in case you think of something to order from room service. Toiletries, some towels. Right across from the door is the closet where they have some robes hanging. Safe. Ironing board. There's a little sitting area right here. Coffee maker. TV. And there's our view. Water and mountains. 2 beds. I like that it has big windows. You can see Canada Place there. Really cool view. We are on the 16th floor. That is the pool area on the 8th floor, I believe. They have a little work desk here. And there is a mini fridge hiding in there. They have some coffee, sugar, glasses and cups. Alright, we're gonna explore the city. We're gonna walk over to Louis Vuitton store here because I need a bigger bag for the plane. It's a really beautiful city. is inside the Louis Vuitton store. It's so much bigger than Calgary. They have shoes and clothing on the other side. I think the men's department's upstairs on the second floor. It was a successful trip. I got my bag. This is the harbor view, just right outside the Pan Pacific. Of course, we had to hit the spa, get some mani-pedis done. This is Four Seasons Nail and Spa, I believe. Here's my mini-me getting hers done too. We are going to go on a 3-hour sailing trip or tour. That's the boat, I believe. We're at Granville Island right now, waiting for our board time in about maybe 10 minutes. And that is the Granville Island Public Market there. This is inside the boat. They have a mini kitchen, some sitting areas right there. They can only provide chips for snacks because of the COVID thing. It's not a very big boat, but it will do. The water is really calm today, so that's a good way to start. Nice view of the city skyline. It's a very hot day, so that makes it nice. nighttime already, and this is what the harbor looks like. It's very pretty. So we're back to the hotel, and I just want to quickly show you guys what I got from Louis Vuitton earlier today. It comes in a very big box, and I don't think I can take this with me. I got the Neverfull GM in Damier Ebene. I think that's the most maintenance free of all the prints, so it's perfect for traveling, because right now I'm using the Delightful PM, so it's way too small for what I need. Now I can put my laptop in here and all the other travel stuff. There is a pouch that came with it, same print. It has a red interior here. It's a very big bag.